said no, they said
Alright, don't say that more. Alright. If you say that more spoil, you go take care of yourself, see you later. Look at that, you man still look like the man. Last year I live.
So, I'm so exhausted. Me and my best friend, we stayed up the night before because we both had 6 a.m. flights. And so we left my house at 4 o'clock in the morning after drinking and doing hookah to get on a plane. I barely slept. And then once I got here, I was just moving all about. And I am so tired. It's 8:56. And I want to go to bed. But it's only day one. Wednesday one. I haven't seen all my cousins yet, all my family. I haven't really done anything. I picked my grandma up. I picked my grandfather up. So he's gonna be spending Christmas with us. And yeah, so see you guys later.
I'm here to kill.
What's your name?
My name is Biaja.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
And how old are you?
8 years old. This is my cousin Natalie.
I'm not Natalie.
I mean, I'm making lots of.
Beach?
Nope.
Where you waiting for?
Bag juice.
Bag juice?
Hello.
Hello.
Hold on.
You just come on this one? Husband.
Rufus.
Some of my service sister. Say hi.
You draw?
Here's the inside of our house.
Oh, I miss those days. I miss those days.
She there. She Lati, she fat Lati, yeah? Fat Lati. Hey grandpa, what's up man? How going?
Nothing bad boy.
You good?
Yes ma'am, that was your mom.
Here's my grandpa.
Yeah mom.
Yeah man. Alright. Here's my mother's room. Mother's room. It's my big sister.
Yes, me. Hi.
Here I am, here I am. And let me line up though.
Give me no that one,
Alright.
please.
Grandma, the grandma want pee-pee.
Look, huh? Look for Auntie Sonia rock she wig. She wig, man. Look for mommy a rock she locks. Look for mommy a rock she locks. Here's Maurice. Uncle Rufus.
What's up for the girl?
This is Auntie Gracie.
Auntie Gracie.
And
and Auntie Sonia. Me? Here's me.
I'm back, man, I'm back.
Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. Hey.
Hello. So what's your name? Come up here, let me interview you. Peter here.
Oh yes, that's it.
Yeah man.
What is this, the camera?
Yes ma'am.
Why am I on the camera?
Make a documentary.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Nice. What's it about?
Nothing, just a do it. Alright, so what's your name?
Shay.
Shay? Which way you work, Shay?
What?
Where you work?
I work in Canada.
Wow.
I'm from Toronto.
Nice to meet you, Shay, okay?
What's your name?
Dalton.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, have a nice day and a night, okay?
That's you lame. You are lame.
Run, buddy! Yes, buddy. Run.
Hold on, it's on? It's on?
Yes, man. It's on.
Mine now, buddy.
I'm not asking nothing.
Oh, you can touch the screen.
Come, Nadia.
No, but I don't want to cheat.
Oh.
Run, buddy, run! Wait! Jesus!
Let's try for me now. Let's try for me now.
Wow, you have the
So you move. So
Mommy, that's how the fire rockets are. Here, man.
you.
That's a man now.
We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again, do it just the same. Hey. Now
That's a leave Lati alone. Can I try?
feel it in my heart.
This is so amazing. Guys, I just put this camera underwater and it really still working.
I love my cousin, you know. Especially that one here. And the big sister you me have. I love my little sister too. But you're crossing. You're crossing. My name is 2K Zug, okay? But my original name is Dalton Watkins. I was born and raised in Jamaica, but now I live in Florida, Miami. Florida, Miami. My girl, Jackson. Florida, Miami, okay? The magnificent 2K is back. So Lati here. Lati here, getting ready to go to the YS Falls half. Yeah, man.
Turn your lights down low and pull your window curtain.
I'm so tired. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Hold on, bend my knees. Hold on. Hold on. Okay.
All the way down. Legs up. Stand.
It's nice.
No, my first time I tell you I screamed. And then it went so slow and I was just like, you're right. Oh, it jumped over there.
You jump over there?
No, it jumped. He was jumping.
Wow.
Well, yes, I think you're jack long. Nah, man, this strong, man. This strong. This whole heavier than you, my boss. Come on. So you have a weight limit. Yeah, we have a weight limit still, but you know, the weight limit is 260. 164.
Hey, you know I'm not 260.
Because the harness fits you properly.
Okay. Wait. This is different than that one.
No, it's the same thing.
Okay, tell me how to hold on again.
Just hold it right here with one hand and then keep this hand.
Just
up.
one?
You don't have to hold on with both of them. Sit all the way down.
Huh?
Sit all the way down. It's not like you're holding yourself up either, so you're good.
Wait, this is lower. Okay.
Keep your legs up, just don't be scared,
Okay.
Have fun.
I'm gonna hit you.
If he needs you to brake though, he'll be giving you a signal like this.
Okay.
You hear him shouting brake. If he gives you that signal, all you have to do is remove this hand from here, gently pull on the lower line behind the pulley, right?
So just release and hold.
Pull on. Not in front of him.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Oh, me understand. You make you tell say I go for slow.
Yeah, just slow you down. Step down off the platform. Sit all the way down. Take the knee bend and you go.
Oh wait, oh my god.
You ready?
No. Okay.
Be brave.
Wait, this it?
Be brave.
Just sit all the way down.
This is wait. I feel like I'm too low.
No, I'm gonna hold the line up for you. So hold it.
Yo, look at the ready to me.
Take your legs up, keep your knees bent.
Wait.
You just gotta do it. Sit all the way down.
But I feel like.
No, I'm holding the line up. Don't worry.
Okay.
you're there.
You had to get in the turning way.
I turn around, and I couldn't turn around. There's a turn around. Oh my god!
I know. I was like, once I started turning, I'm like,
Yeah.
he said go opposite. Opposite!
Yeah!
I'm not even gonna see when I'm landing.
Me neither. I'm not gonna see the signal.
Because you were looking down instead of forward.
Yeah.
And everybody was staring at me. I thought I was doing something wrong.
You're smart. You're smart.
I'm so shaky right now. Oh my god.
Legs up.
Box cover.
Turn all the way up down now. Run it!
Yeah, would you like to see something scary?
No,
Look at the next one.
don't do that.
Look at the next one.
Legs up.
Right?
Legs up.
I saw that. I'm like,
I don't even like roller coasters.
why are you declining?
Because zip line is just across and across. This is no.
Straight down. This one's down.
There's no way I can walk down from here.
You're going
You can do it.
You guys want to switch up the order this
I
time?
know.
Oh, let your moon come shining into our life again.
She screamed twice. She's still screaming.
Because she's excited.
Break!
Take it over.
Wait, don't say here we go. I'm not ready.
No, you're not ready. No, you're not. I haven't put your brakes on yet. So
Okay.
I wouldn't want to send you without your brakes. No, it's not a good idea. Michael Bolton, attention. No.
Break! Okay, oh my
Bring your
god.
hands on as low as possible.
As low as possible? Wait, don't wait. Oh. El Breako! Oh, I'm scared. Oh no, I'm really scared.
Don't worry, just sit all the way down and pick your legs up. He's in control. He's in full control. That's why you're going way and you won't get tired and all that. Pick your legs up here. And count to 3. 1. It took too long. I know this was gonna happen. I'm sorry. This is our fault. It's this thing. So I'm gonna have to pull you up and give you.
Pull me back up!
Yeah, just grab my hand. Let me pull you up. No. Use the other.
Pull the camera.
Yes!
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's for being boss. Wait up.
You land it. You land it.
He was so mean to me.
Back in one piece.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ooh, it's been a long time. I get this message for you, girl.
The cool right up to the Yo, me and man, we have to cool so. Yeah.
Move, get out my picture.
I want to picture you. I'm telling you, I was fucking cold right now. No, I don't know if you tell you, I'm cold. Jesus Christ, yo. Me cold now, brother. Yo, just make sure I send a last food ticket, you know. Alright, look. I'm gonna step right there. Right there? Okay. Hold on for the tree, yeah. Hold on for the next tree. We're good there, yeah? See me here? Walking, I'm walking. Lati, hold down, Lati. Is that our life? See me here? Walking like a boss, bro. Yeah, man. You're good?
Very good.
Alright. Hi.
Hi.
What's the name?
Alt1.
What?
Alt1.
Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's the name?
Valerie.
Valerie. Okay, hey, what's your name? Judan. Judan. Okay, nice to meet you, Judan. Come on, cuz. You know I love you. Get my cuz here. Love you. I love you.
But it seemed I was never on time. Still I wanna get through to you, girl. On time, on time. Wow. I want to give you some love.
Good morning. It is 7:05 and we are on our way to the Manila Duke.
She doesn't want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. Right. But I keep telling her I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll.